A student pilot school bag is not just like any other school bag. This is what you get when you enroll in the integrated helicopter program at Select Aviation College. Starting out, we've got these 3 books. We've got the private pilot exam preparation guide, as well as the commercial pilot exam preparation guide. It also comes with the private pilot reference guide. A lot of theory between airplane and helicopter is actually very similar. We use a lot of the same books, these included. Next up, we have From the Ground Up, which is pretty much everything you need to know when it comes to becoming a pilot. There's meteorology, navigation, theory of flight, and of course, air law. Next up, we've got the Flight Training Manual for Helicopters. This book is super important. It's basically explaining all of the different exercises you'll be going through throughout your training journey. This kit will also include this bilingual chart of clouds that you might be dealing with throughout your training journey. You get this poster, which describes all the different types of airspace in Canada. Charts! 4 charts for navigation, which include Ottawa, Gatineau, Montreal, and Toronto. A logbook. Next up are a couple gadgets for your flight preparation. We've got the E6B, which is a flight computer, pretty cool, doesn't need batteries, as well as a plotter and a chart ruler. And a uniform in black, because helicopter pilots wear black. And of course, safety first, a safety vest for operations on the ramp. All right, I think that's it. I better get going, because I'm almost late for class, but I'll see you guys soon.